Alright guys, so in this real estate video I'm about to share with you how to make money with your smartphone. Okay, a real estate business just with your smartphone. You don't need to be moving here and there. Okay, just with your phone you can make a couple money with your smartphone. So let me show you how to do so. My name is Evi Germany. Okay, let's get into the video right away.
Alright, okay, so as you can see on my screen here now, so what I need to do, I need to go on my phone here. I will click on the property trade app. So I want to open it. I'm gonna show you how to also get to use it. Okay, as you can see the app on my phone, I have to skip all of this. Okay, then this is how the app look like now. As you can see, this is my dashboard. We are looking on the app right now. So you need to do is for you to click on this page. They say my referral link, so you click on it. All right, so you can see here now you have two link here now. The copy buyer's link and then copy your agent link. So the buyer's link is the link you now use to get someone to take a look at the property, okay, that is in this capital city development project. To have property across Nigeria, okay, and over 16 states where they have their physical location, and you can always go there to take a look at the properties and all of that. Okay, so the moment you copy this link, so you're going to send it to your prospective buyer or someone that is interested to take a look at it wherever they are. So the moment the person click on it, then it will take them to this place. They see property. The person will land on this place here now. You can see property in Owerri, Newton Resort, Owerri. So the person get to click on this, and then you also go and see the properties and then the prices that are also here. This person can also go and also check on the one in Enugu, the one in Lagos. You can see them here now. Okay, the person can scroll down and see properties that are all over. The one in Benin, the one in Enugu, one in Abakaliki, and wherever it is. Okay, so the moment they click on this link now, and then they can also get to see the properties, and then they're on the land document. So when they get to the venue where they normally do land inspection every Saturdays, so the team member over there can take your client to the land so they can go and see the land. The moment they make a purchase, you're making 10% of the property which they purchase. So that is how you can use this app to actually make money on internet. All right, by sharing it with your prospects so that they can take a look at the property that is that place. All right, we also do construction, which is called Africa. Then you need material like cement, rod and plywood and all of that. So the company also deal with that. Okay, even listing, you want to also maintain and manage your property. All of those can be done here. Okay, in this app. All right. So you also want to sign up someone. Okay, if you click on also my referral link, then you click on your agent link. You can copy this link and share with someone that also is interested in or becoming a member of Capital City, and also going to be promoting a platform. So land is what everyone are interested in. Everyone wants to become a landlord to own their own property. Okay, and it's never been this easier to actually make money using just your app. You don't need to stress yourself. Nothing like you moving around. No, the company does all of that for you, and you get your open commission. All right, each time you make a sale. You can see it here now. Copy your buyer's link. Use this link to refer others and earn up to 10% on your referral. Okay, any property the person purchase is very simple and very good to do, and you can always get started. You're going to attend the training on WhatsApp. By the time you register, instantly you'll be directed with the list link when you get registered to the group, whereby you'll be getting information and then learn about the company, how to promote it and everything inside of it. Okay, so if you are interested in how you can get registered, you always click the link in this video description to join the group, and then you're gonna see the link and I'll walk you through how to register in Capital City Development Project. Okay, see you on the inside. Bye.